Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Courtney Ryan, and today we're going to be covering 5 reasons why women don't respect you. Respect is an important component of your personal identity, but also in your interpersonal relationships. So in this video, I'm going to be covering a couple of reasons why women don't respect you and why things probably are not working out in your favor in regards to dating. And before we get started, do you guys know what I respect? A guy who prioritizes his sleep and has a great mattress. Big thank you to Helix for sponsoring today's video. Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and bedding that are customized to fit your needs and conveniently shipped right to your door. Everybody's different and Helix knows that. They made the sleep quiz to match your unique body type and sleep preferences to make the perfect mattress for you. They have something for everyone's unique taste, and if you sleep with a partner, you can even take the sleep quiz together and find something that's the perfect compromise for both of you, which is what I did. Based on my results, Helix matched me with their Sunset mattress, and I upgraded to the Luxe version. I've had my Helix sleep mattress for 4 months now, and what I'm loving about it the most are the consistent great nights of sleep and the next level comfort. With your Helix sleep mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 10-year warranty, and there are financing options and flexible payment plans. If you don't, they'll pick it up and you get a free refund. The best part about all of this is that Helix delivers the mattress directly to your door for free within the US. It comes in a rolled up box and is super easy to do yourself. Trust me guys, if I can do it, you can do it. I love my Helix and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Helix. Click on the link below or go to helixsleep.com/CourtneyRyan for up to $200 off your mattress and 2 free pillows. Reason number 1 why women don't respect you is that you're being complacent. Falling into complacency is a very easy thing to do and something that affects a lot of people. This causes self-esteem issues for yourself, first of all, which is not a great place to be, but also causes great relationship dissatisfaction. And this could apply to any area of your life: career, success, health and fitness. I mean, physically, mentally, emotionally complacent here is a thing that a lot of people experience. And it's not a good thing no matter how you look at it. Not taking the action you need to reach your goals, or even worse, not having any goals, is a huge disservice to yourself and the people around you. And specifically here with women, it's unattractive to them. Women respect men who respect themselves and put effort into their life and their purpose, so do not let this happen to you. Number 2, you don't lead. Women love a man who leads. I know sometimes social media makes it seem like they don't, but trust me, they do. Being a leader is not only impressive to women and will gain the respect of women, but it will also gain the respect and be impressive to everyone else in your life as well. This could apply to so many different situations: work, family, friends, romantic relationships, all of the above. And it comes down to the fact that it's incredibly beneficial for you to develop leadership skills. And let me just tell you this from a woman's perspective: watching a man lead and take initiative is one of the sexiest things that a man can do. It simply commands respect from the woman in your life and from everyone around you. Number 3, you pedestalize her, which is something that I tell you guys all the time not to be doing. You should absolutely think the woman you're with is great and amazing and treat her with utmost respect, but putting her on a pedestal and encouraging princess mentality does not do you or her any favors. A guy who has his own opinions and stands firm in them is so attractive to women. Being too agreeable, saying yes to everything, or even letting her consistently cross boundaries is going to make her lose respect and attraction to you. Again here, women respect men who respect themselves, and part of respecting yourself is knowing your boundaries, saying no, and standing up for what you believe in. There is a huge difference between treating a lady with respect and putting yourself below her, which you absolutely do not want to do. Number 4, your words and actions don't match. Be a man of your word. You don't want to be the guy who says one thing and consistently does another. Girls and people in your life in general want to feel like they can trust you and rely on you and believe what you say, right? So your actions and your words need to match. A man with integrity is one of the most irresistible, sexy things that you can be. Do not be one of those guys who never matches their words and actions, because it makes people around you lose so much respect for you, not just women. If you're saying one thing and consistently doing another, it makes everyone lose respect for you, and reliability and trust. Have integrity, be honest and trustworthy. Be honest about your intentions and your expectations, and don't make promises that you can't keep. You'll be a lot happier yourself if you do this anyways. It's pretty hard to sleep with a guilty conscience. Number 5, you're insecure. And I want to preface by saying insecurity is something totally normal to feel. You don't need to feel like the most confident guy 24/7. I feel insecure. Joe Schmo down the street feels insecure. Everyone feels a little insecure from time to time. But guys who let this insecurity run their entire life are often seeking external validation and approval from the people around them, including the woman in their life, which is flat out exhausting. Women respect guys who know what they want, know what they bring to the table, and who are secure and sure of themselves. If you aren't confident in yourself and your abilities and secure in who you are, how is the woman in your life going to be? And more importantly here than respect or how other people view you, constantly worrying about what other people think about you or trying to gain external validation and approval all the time is exhausting, and it's going to lead you down a road of straight unhappiness, and I do not wish that for any of you. So really working on boosting your self-esteem and your confidence will positively impact every area of your life, specifically here what we're talking about, romantic relationships and respect with women. So to wrap this entire video up with a big red bow, it comes down to you don't respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, how on earth is anyone else around you going to respect you? Or from a woman's perspective, want to be with you? Every relationship you have starts with you and the relationship you have with yourself. So please keep this in mind when you're dating, when you're interacting with people, when you're going throughout your life. The way you talk to yourself, the way you feel about yourself, your confidence, your self-esteem is all really important, and it comes down to respecting yourself. Again, this could be covered in so many different areas of your life. Specifically, we're talking about romantic relationships here, but I think this is a really great thing to keep in mind for other aspects of your life as well, like your career or your friendships or your family or whatever it is. Alright guys, that is all I have for 5 reasons why women don't respect you. If you liked this video or found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be in the loop for when I release new content. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What are some things you do that gain women's respect, and some things maybe you've done in the past that did not gain women's respect? I would love to hear your personal stories down in the comments. If you haven't already, be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Courtney Christine Ryan. I love connecting with all of you guys over on there as well. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.